Good day everyone, you are welcome to GIS Solution channel. We are very glad to introduce to you our new module called Georeferencing, Digitization and Data Attribution in GIS. This is a very crucial module we have just released for you to improve your GIS skill and master the art of GIS. This module is set to equip you with necessary knowledge for you to perform better in your GIS career. This module consists about 8 topics, and these include topographic map scanning and importation into GIS environment. Here we demonstrated how you can scan your paper map and import it into GIS environment. Then number 2, selection of ground control points. In this very area, we demonstrated the best approach in selecting your ground control points, especially when you want to use it for georeferencing. Then number 3, coordinate conversion. In this area, we demonstrated how to convert your coordinates into the format that is easier to use in GIS environments. Then number 4, map georeferencing. This is registration of your map into real-world coordinates. We demonstrated here how you can georeference your map. Then number 5, we have vector layer creation. We showed you how to create vector layer in GIS environment. Then we have digitization. Digitization is the process of converting your paper maps into a digital format. So in this module, we demonstrated the best way to digitize your map and also how to avoid the common error usually encountered during digitization. Then we have data attribution, which talks about how to attribute your data, that is all associated or non-spatial informations, how you can attribute it into your spatial data. Then conclusively, we look at map layout and map element addition, how to properly add your map element like scale, legend, north arrow, title and the likes on your map. This module is promising and I would like you to get it so that you can equip and sharpen your GIS skill. To get this module, join our YouTube membership. Alternatively, you can look at the description box of this video and you'll find the link to get this module. Thank you for watching.